You know, like sometimes you don't want to glue your hair, you don't want to install your wig, you don't want to deal with all that. Well, VIVI Baby Hair Company, they have this amazing wig band which you just put it on without having to glue it on. It comes with a headband in the back and adjustable straps. You can also put it in a ponytail, in a bun. It's also a wider wave. And since it's Black Friday, they also have a Black Friday sale. And yes, guys, let's start with the video. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know you're wondering why I look like an egg. It's because I'm gonna be doing a getting ready with me. I'm not done getting ready. I'm gonna be working with this amazing company. It's called VIVI Baby Hair. Basically, they have human hair. I'm gonna be showing you guys. Okay, so they sent me this headband. This headband wig is a Brazilian hair. Is 20 inches. Is a 20 curly hair inches, and it comes with headband. I'm gonna be showing you guys. The package, it comes like this. As you guys can see, I opened it ready to show you guys. Yeah, basically when you open, they will send you this wig cap. It comes 2 pieces, which I think is very cool. And they will also send you these beautiful headbands in case you don't want to wear the ones that come with it. I'm gonna be showing you guys. And yes, so this one is black and I believe nude. I'm not sure. This is a pink one, and this is like a multicolored one basically. So when the wig comes, it comes like this with the headband. All right, this is a wider wave hair. I love it because it's really soft. As you guys can see, it does not shade. This only literally has like 1 piece of hair, literally 1 piece of hair. And for curly hair, I think it's pretty good because curly hair shades a lot. So basically, on the back it comes with the clippings, you know, in case your man want to snatch your wig while you're in the bed. But yeah, so the back, it looks like this. And yes, I'm gonna be putting the website underneath below, and also I'm gonna be putting the website under the description below. Right now this is a 20 inches. I'm gonna be doing my edges first. I mean, yeah, I know I don't got no edges, but we're gonna try to find my edges. Okay, so we're gonna try to find my edges, guys. As you guys know, I cut my hair like I have been bald for 2 years, and that's okay. 2 years by choice. I'm bald by choice, and I don't know, I don't got time to be doing my hair, but I'm trying to grow my hair again, and I'm gonna be doing my edges. I'm gonna try guys, which, oh my god, this is giving me flashbacks. I really hate doing edges. Basically, I'm just gonna be sweeping my edges. Guys, I ain't got no edges. I didn't want to finish my makeup, right? Because I contour a lot. You guys know I beat my face to the gods. So I want to finish doing my wig. I want to finish doing my makeup. Y'all feel me? Oh, I got a little bit of edges. Oh, you bitches could never. Ooh, up on my edges. I got a little bit of edges, y'all. Oh my, I love this hair. Like, I'm so excited to wear. I don't know, I might wear it in a ponytail. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Where my edges go? I got some big ass hair. My hair's so big. Yeah. Now my edges are gone. Not the banging. The banging. Do I like it? Yes, I love it. But let's see how I really look. Should I put more? I feel like if I put more in the back, I'm gonna look crazy. Crazy. Okay, we're gonna put shit in the front. These edges don't listen, like the owner. So I already put in the headband, right? But I love it with the headband. I think it gives you like a nice, pretty look. I like with the headband. What you guys think? Comment down below. what you think, but I personally, I think I'm gonna do a ponytail. Yeah, that was my good to go for today. A ponytail. Tail. I wanna do like an Updo ponytail. I'll be right back, y'all. 1 second. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Basically, I ended up putting it in a ponytail. It's really up to you how you want it. You know, you can let it go down. What you guys think? I'm not sure. What you think? You can let it go down. It's really, you can play with this hair however you want. So it's really up to you. You can do this ponytail, but I think I wanted to do it in a bun. No, like just like a messy bun. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be putting the link to this hair and everything, and I highly recommend it. Let me show you guys how it looks when it's down. This is what it looks like when it's down. I feel like it's, oh god, I have a big forehead. Yeah, I know, but yeah, I had a big ass forehead underneath that wig. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. Yeah, I like it. I honestly love this hair. Anyways, yeah, this is what it looks like with the headband. I highly recommend it. Okay, so guys, if you guys want to see me doing more of getting ready with me, just let me know. Comment down below. My makeup looks weird today. Okay, if you guys want to see me doing more of like getting ready or something, you can comment down below or anything. But yeah, you can also put this in a ponytail. No, you can do like a half bun, which I think is cute. I think a half bun is cute. Yeah, it's basically really up to you how you want to style it. If you want to do like a low, if you want to do like not a high but like a middle ponytail, I think that's fine too. So it all depends on how you want to style it, really. Oh, 20 inches curly hair is 180 density, and it's a Brazilian water wave hair. It's very affordable. I'm gonna be putting the website down below. It also comes with the Black Friday sale, so I highly recommend for you to get it now because Black Friday is on. So yeah, guys, bye guys.